Meaning of Hasidism.
Hassidism.
Hasidism.
Hassidism.
Hassidism. Hassidism is a Jewish religious movement founded in the 18th century, originating in Eastern Europe. The movement emphasized the importance of connecting with God on a personal level through prayer and maintaining a joyful and positive attitude towards life. Hasidic teachings also emphasized the power of the individual's actions and the pursuit of spiritual growth through acts of kindness and self-improvement. Today, Hasidism has spread worldwide and has numerous sects and leaders with varying interpretations of its teachings. In summary, Hasidism is a movement focused on strengthening one's relationship with God through personal connection, positivity, and acts of kindness.